Like 360.
That's not the fun.
Esther, joy. Hello. Oh, sexy mama. Hi, mama, welcome to Zurich.
Thank you.
Oh, we see how somebody who is helping us here. Oh my God. You know, we see.
Welcome to Zurich.
Oh, thank you.
I know you're a bit famine, but at least enjoying
Of course.
sweet chocolate.
Oh, look at what I've just got as well. Oh my God. This is Ijeoma from Ijeoma Madu. That's her YouTube channel. We are going to meet Esther's Chronicles very soon. Yes. Look at the sunshine. We are here live and direct. Yes.
On the boat cruise or ship.
Yes, that's where we are heading to.
Time.
And look at the lovely children here as well. Hello, my lovelies. How are you?
I'm fine.
Good.
Good afternoon, Ma.
Good afternoon, my dear. That's okay. That's fine. That's my husband there. So, can I keep this then? Call your email to know. Go on. Let me.
Good afternoon, sir.
Man, give me. Let me keep this. She's welcome me
sir.
to Switzerland. We have that when we come back. Let me go and keep it.
Hello, darling. How are you?
Mama, say good afternoon, sir.
Hello, Mom. It's Esther from Esther's Chronicles. We are here live in Zurich. Oh, look. He is so cute. Look at how he just came out. Yes. Oh, is that okay?
Yes.
And look at the lovely children. Look at her and her lovely boys. Oh, yes.
That's Sean from the Sean's Chronicle.
Yes. And?
What's your name?
Set from
Just your name.
Set. Yes.
Hi guys, how are
Hello.
you? We are happy to be hooking up
Yes.
with Madu Fechi.
Yes. Live
Watch
and
this
direct. Yes. Watch for more. And that's her greeting my husband, and that's IJ.
Serious.
I ain't going anyway, but let her enter again. And that's my husband trying to sort the ticket where we are going. So we're just getting ready to go on our boat cruise. That's what we are doing at the moment. And look at all the children here. Lovely.
That upper street, there's a diamond bank.
We are telling Esther that she needs to be speaking Igbo, and she said that she can.
Animal swim.
You see?
They go do. Abu Oyinbo. Our animals swim beke.
What teacher when I serve says the only
That's
Igbo she
wonderful.
understands is
That's
She's
wonderful.
from Delta State.
And that's the children having fun.
You know they work for the
Okay, so what are we doing now then? Are we ready? We have got the ticket now, yeah?
tram station. It's over
We are now in a tram, yeah?
Yes.
And where are we heading to now?
Bellevue. We are going to Bellevue because if you want to take the boat, you have to get to Bellevue, then you come down and wait for the boat or the ship, as the case may be.
Okay.
Yeah, there's ship and there are boats. I think we'll be doing the ship.
All I know is I have a boat.
Okay. So we have had a lot. Yesterday we went to waterfall. The other day we were on hiking all day. Esther from Esther's Chronicle. Remember, make sure you
Go follow my channel.
Yes, if you are not subscribed to her, what are you waiting for? And also, IJ from Ijeoma Madu. That's her YouTube channel. Make sure you're connected because they are the ones taking me around Zurich. We are here.
That one is already.
Are you sure we can go?
No.
Okay.
They already locked it. Those people ran.
Okay, that's fine. How long does it take another one to come?
We'll check it there. Then
Okay.
we can even have the opportunity of asking for mommy's ticket to be sure. Because
That
if
it
you
will-
go in and your ticket is not valid,
Yeah.
You can always
it's
buy
a
tickets
100.
inside there. You can buy tickets inside there.
But what if they come before we?
No, okay, we have to ask.
Let's
questions.
just
Ask the question. Yeah, okay.
Okay, come guys.
Yeah, let's go. We are going to do the boat ride.
Yes, we do, Mom. I've been here for 10 years. boat.
Wow, that's
And
good.
if you can't do nothing without giving.
Yes, that's what we noticed yesterday.
Nothing. When
That's
I
what we for the
came,
2 days we've been out. That's what we noticed.
I
We
almost
have
ran
to.
back to Nigeria.
Yeah.
I almost.
yeah.
Because imagine you, everything you want to do.
Yes.
It's not even now. 10 years later is better.
Yes.
Then nobody was even ready to speak the language.
Wow.
To speak English with you.
Yeah. Look at the weather. That's my husband. He's in our vlog by 5.
What's that?
I didn't even know. He didn't even watch that. We are in the vlog. Because you're on a boat ride with us YouTubers. So you're in the vlog by fire by
I
force.
haven't got any choice, is it?
Yeah, you have a choice now, but you chose to be here and support us. So that's very good. We are enjoying fantastic weather here in Zurich. Look at that. Look at the seaside. Esther went there to make inquiries. She went there to make, she's making inquiries to make sure that we have the right.
Right.
Are we?
It doesn't go.
It doesn't. Ah, so what
you have
happens?
is, I'm going to buy the adjoining. 9.
No, let's get the. We have a.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, she is treating us on the boat ride. Payment. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Right. The room there is Einstunde Reisen.
That's her speaking the language to them. Eh? See, it's good to have somebody who speaks the language.
Complicated, but now it's covered. This is one of the busiest cities, the busiest part of Zurich.
Where?
Zurich.
Okay.
It's always very busy.
Wow.
All this place is called Bellevue. People call
Bellevue.
me. Yeah.
Okay.
Bellevue.
That's Esther telling me a story about this area. Okay.
It's a tourist attraction, and it's just beautiful.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, most people you are seeing around here, they are tourists.
They are tourists.
Yeah. Most of these people are at work. Yeah. Yeah, people travel a lot.
Okay.
Swiss people travel out,
Yeah.
then a lot of people travel in
Yeah.
from outside the country.
Just like a plane can come in, like 3 planes can come in from a particular city. Let me say Venice in
Yeah.
Italy.
Yeah.
Maybe the first one comes with 200 passengers.
Yeah.
The second time it comes with 100. The third time I was like, I never
Wow.
knew people do come in like
A lot of
A lot of
tourists.
people.
Yeah.
And before
Capture
I do
this
think
place.
everybody here is.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
beautiful. Come
Okay.
guys.
Let's. Absolutely beautiful. Esther and Ijeoma Madu and
Yeah,
Esther's Chronicles.
We wrap it. We wrap it. Life is moving. We wrap it.
Positive vibes.
Yes, so this is
There's no big
positive
vibes.
at all.
At all.
Positive vibes. Guys, I hope you're loving what you're seeing. Make sure you like this video.
Yes.
Make sure you like it. Yeah. And join the family. Kitchen family. Ijeoma Madu.
Yes.
We love you. Keep watching.
Keep
Now,
watching.
We live in Edinburgh. We live in Edinburgh.
Oh, okay. Edinburgh.
Right.
Yeah, it's very nice.
For 11 years.
That's my husband talking with
Yeah,
somebody
yeah. Princess
in front of us.
Okay, interesting.
We are now on the boat ride. We just left.
It's a long one.
Look at isn't that beautiful?
No, I don't play. I don't play.
Beautiful.
You play the same?
Yes.
What do you play?
That's boat ride.
All on that.
We're sitting here and just want to see. Look. Amazing. They are the ones taking us on the boat cruise. So that's where they are. You got one?
So you want to drink?
All right.
I said I had to, but I didn't get to.
Asked me for the ticket and I see. Yeah. So I told him to go and see my husband because he's got our ticket. Yeah.
Mama is having a great time. She's even enjoying season like more than me, guys.
Yes, sir.
For me, it's all about work. Count how much you're going to
That's
spend.
what happens. That's what happens when you live in a place. You don't really have time to
Enjoying the
explore.
country more than I am. But it's good. I mean, we are here.
Yes, that's right. It's a very beautiful place, Switzerland. We are
It's a
enjoying
hidden
every
gem.
bit
It's
of
a
it.
hidden gem. People don't know
Yes,
much about it.
that's it.
But
That's
it's just that
it.
it's expensive. That's another thing that
Yes,
pushes
we noticed that it's quite an expensive place to live, to be quite honest. But yeah, as for being beautiful, so beautiful. I love it. I would love to live here, but the challenge will be the language. You all are doing well to be able to be speaking their language because yeah, I have no clue
Mama,
what
do you
they're
know
saying,
the
and
worst
most
part
of
it?
them.
Sometimes we learn German in schools, the high German in school. But when you come out, you still don't understand because they speak the dialect. Swiss
Dialect.
German.
That's it. That's the thing.
You
Yeah.
just have to. That one is learnt more at the workplace.
Yeah.
But if it's the one you write, you have to go to school to do that.
Yes. Okay, we are inside the sheep. What is it called? Sheep, yeah?
Sheep.
Yeah. Sheep barrack. Yeah, we're inside there. It's moving actually as we talk. So amazing. So when it's moving, you can just walk around, you can talk, you can chat. Let me show you the view again.
Mama,
When you're ready.
I am ready. Come and get it. Come and get it. Come and get it.
Here in Zurich, live and direct.
Yes, sir.
All these lovely people, Ijeoma, Madu, and Esther's Chronicles, we are all here catching on.
Mama, do a quick outfit of the day for us. Where is your pants from? Do a quick outfit of the day. Outfit of the day now.
I believe mommy, which one?
Mama is our sexy mama. Sexy mama.
Okay, you got this from.
Yeah. Oh, my sunshades are this.
Your son said it's from.
And where is your hair from? Oh yeah, Oprah.
Leave that one. I don't know where
God is so faithful. You know why? That is, we say we're not going to show him, and God just gave us somebody for him to give him company. So
Yeah.
Yes, my husband is down there. Yes, down there. Found a company, so he's there. And we're just here catching fun. But he doesn't want to show much of the thing because God just arranged it that way. So I'm so happy to be here. Look at me. Oh, nice people.
Yeah.
This is amazing. I'm just so glad.
Yeah.
And I'm so glad I met you too. Honestly, it's just that we have known each other for all our lives. And it's so good. Yes, exactly. So great. I think that's yeah.
Yeah, it's good.
Thank you.
Ijeoma, it has not gotten to the last bus stop. It has not turned.
I know it's not. It's already turning. It's looking back.
Yeah.
Maybe now. That time it was.
No, it's just an hour.
Ik maak dood met dat hier.
This is so amazing. Oh, look. Can't get enough of this. I can't get enough of this. Look at me. Look at the weather. This is so fantastic. Oh, God. So
So
good.
the day you guys came, it was raining. So
It was raining that day we came. That's right. But today, look.
We came here last year. We came on the boat.
You go, you did? And look at the Zurich flag behind me. That flag there is Zurich flag. We are in this boat. Oh, Swiss. Oh, what did I say? Zurich. Okay, Swiss, I swear. People who know what they've corrected me. This is Switzerland flag, yeah? And which one is Zurich flag? The one over there? That one there, can you see? That one there is Zurich flag. But the one I showed you earlier, the red one, is a Switzerland flag. They've corrected me, people who are, IJ and
The
Esther.
guy came to check. That